Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So I will put 2y go to the left, 3x go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by 4x squared. This one, that is about 1 over 2x squared. This one, that is about 3 over 4x. So we can see that we have y and first derivative of y, that is about linear differential equations. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to the integration. That's about e to the power of the integration. So that is about this one next to y. So this is for integrating factor, and I will put this one go in here. So the integration of -1 over s squared, that is about positive 1 over 2x. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So in this one, we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ap. So the integration of that one, we have y e to the power of 1 over 2x. And now we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So the first thing, I will put this one, that is about 4 over s and s squared. So we can put about u equals to 1 over 2s. Later that we have 4 over s, that is about number 8 for the both sides. Next, we need to do first derivative for the derivative of this one. So that should be about -1 over 2s squared dx. So because we don't have -1 over 2, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one we change for u. 4 over x, that is about 8u. 1 over x squared dx, we change for negative number 2 du. Now we simplify the numbers. That is about negative number 3 over number 4. So the integration of this one, that is about exponential integral of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.